Hello, hello, it's Cap from the Fire Tuna Club. If you guys are sick of doll repaints, here's a brief respite. This is a upcycled craft that I've been excited to share with you guys. It's a minimalist art theme that you can easily do with a little bit of paint, a used picture frame, and some paper crafts, or if you get a little bit creative like me, some around-the-house items that you no longer use. I'd like to stress first that you do have to have an idea and a direction to go in before you get started. Since this is a minimalist art piece, you can't really just go willy-nilly and create as you go like I usually do. With this one, I started with an idea, knew exactly how I was going to place it, and then executed it. The first step to begin is prepping your materials. For me, I had to dust off everything that was dirty and untouched. Remember that I'm cleaning my craft room for like 10 years running now. I also had to finish breaking my glasses. I looked this up, so it's actually correct. I had to break off the other temple. I had to make sure the glasses were nice and sanded on the hinge so they would lay flat when I put them on. And because I knew it was specifically focused on Harry, I decided to cut out 3 different sizes of the Thunderbolt. So the next step is to paint whatever you need to paint. Like for me, I painted the frame black. Say if you're making a Pokemon one, you would paint the Christmas ornament you're using white and red, or depending on what kind of Pokeball you're gonna use, keep decorating. Depending on the state of your upcycled supplies, you may have to make a frame backing yourself. For me, it just came with plain cardboard in it, so I had to cover it in some white paper. The last real step is to put everything together. You can either use hot glue, Elmer's glue wall, super glue. I did a combination of all of them. I super glued the glasses in place. Once I had the wire supporting it into the back, I super glued all that so it wouldn't move. I also used Elmer's glue to glue the lightning bolt onto paper, as well as hot glue at the end to keep everything in its place in the frame. While technically this is the last stage, I would like to point out that while I used felt for this at the time, I regret it now, and I'd say if you could, try to find some thick poster board or just a really heavy cardstock to put for backing so that you can cover the cardboard. Or if you're lucky, you'll have an old picture frame that has a proper back to it and you won't have to jerry-rig it like I did. Hey, thanks for watching. If you've hit the end and you've seen plenty of YouTube videos before, you know the drill. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, or subscribe to the channel. If you want to keep up to date without missing any videos, press the little bell button.